How big is the giant pocket? What does the inside fabric look like? Will the comfy fit an XL, double XL, triple XL, or quadruple XL person? In this video, we answer all these questions and a lot more as we unbox, set up, and review the Comfy. And we're going to start unboxing right now. Here's what the box looks like when you first receive it. If you see this in store, you get to touch how comfy the Comfy is before buying it. There's a side, and here are all the features that we are going to test pretty soon. There's the other side and the handle. Alright, let's unbox this thing. Alright guys, we're gonna open up the box right now. Here we go.
Wow, I'm so excited. So guys, this is our first time. Omar and I were been wanting to have this for 5 years now. Finally, we got it. I'll do the honor. Whoa! Abracadabra!
That's it.
Only one?
That's it? Is it only one?
Oh no, I thought it's two.
And that's why we do unboxing.
I thought it's two because the model two.
That's okay, babe.
I got one for you, one for me.
You can have it, babe.
Alright, let's test it. Ooh, how big that is. It says in the box, oversized everything, large enough to pull legs, arms in. So let's see. Do I look big? Is it large? It is large. That's the back, that's the side, that's the front. So when you're watching a movie, you'll just do like this and you're like, you can put your legs inside. And
oh no. Kind of.
I'm short, guys. I'm only 5 feet. So bear my feet, guys. Look. Like that, I'm 5 feet. So if you're a 6-footer girl or 5.8, 5.10, then this is the only length that is inside. So it's comfy, like it. Alright, so it says here, guys, in their advertisement, it says a giant pocket holds phone, controllers, and snacks. Giant, let's see. And I'm holding my phone. I have an iPhone here. Let's see. Okay, can hold iPhone. So check. Remote for TV so you don't mess it anywhere or misplace. Check. My Roku remote. Check. So I have 3 things in my pocket. And add more. How about if you are playing games like Wii? This is a Wii remote, guys. It's like bigger than my hands. Now I'm gonna put the remote. There you go, guys. So check. So I have 4 items. You're not a fanatic of Wii, throw it. And if you're a fanatic of Xbox, can Xbox controller fit? Xbox controller fit. Check.
Why don't you add both?
If you are both fanatic of Wii and Xbox, let's try it. Oh, it's heavy. So check. How about snacks? I have here a Nutter Butter. I have here Teddy Graham. I have here Caramel Quaker. I have here a Ritz Bits Oreo Mini. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more snacks. If you're really that type of a person that eat a lot during the movie. So, you can fit all that snacks right in your pocket in front of your stomachs.
Wow.
So there, guys. Does it answer your question? Alright, the next feature they said, guys, is a huge
Hood.
Hood, corrected by
Say it again.
Huge hood. Keeps head toasty, warm, and doubles as a pillow. So let's start then. So this is it. Let's try this. So I have like a space here, like that. See, let's say they said it's a pillow filling. So let's test if it's really a pillow filling. I'll pretend this is a pillow and I'm watching a TV. TV on. Yeah, it's like a It's like a throw pillow. So it's comfy, but yeah, it's not really pillow because it's small, but there's like a comfy stuff that's covering your face. You're not cold. Oh, we're filming? Okay. I heard they had some issues with the neck hole being a little small. Did they fix that? Here guys, just watch this and you decide. You answer your own question. Just kidding. So guys, look. This is my neck, little bit fat, and that's the broom. So I'm not gonna stretch it, I'm gonna drop it like this. What is the inside fabric looks like? It's Sherpa. Huh? You don't know what Sherpa is? Looks like this. There guys. It's like a fleece, but actually, not really. So comfy. Is Sherpa material a vegan fabric? So, according to our Google, it says Sherpa is a vegan. It is made from a fiber blend of polyester, acrylic, and cotton. To answer your question, look, it's soft. It looks like a sheepskin, but it's polyester blended with cotton. So this is not the sheepskin, guys. Would it fit the XL dude? Would it fit a double, triple XL oversized 5'9", 6 footer? Let's answer all your questions. Let's try this right now. Let's measure it. Take measure, please.
Oops.
Alright, so let's start here. So we have your inches, guys, okay? So if your body, that's the inches, is 37 inches. From the top of the shoulder all the way down, guys. 37 inches. The same. What if you have a big arms, just like me, guys? I have a very chunky, floppy arms. So let's see. From the top of the shoulder here to the armpit, it's 15 inches. From here all the way here is 25 inches. Alright, from the wrist. Oh, it's wrist. So we'll measure the wrist. It is 8 inches. Now the hood. Measure the circumference of where your face can be. 30 inches. Let's start measuring the front to the back of the hood. 13 inches. Some people are complaining because the neck is a little bit tighter, so let's measure it. 26 inches. Alright, let's record from the hood all the way down. So I'll start from the hood here. It's 48 inches. Now we're gonna measure arm to arm. So we have leftover here. So let's move it. 60. 21 and a half. 60 plus 21. 81. Yay! Answer it. There guys, I hope to answer your question.
Quick question guys, is this item right for you? Let us know your thoughts and opinions by typing them in the comment section below and I'll respond back to you as soon as I can. If this item is for you, there's a link in the description below to purchase it. If you still need more information about this item, the description section below will probably have your answer. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and click the notification bell because when you do that, it lets us know that we actually helped you out and it also helps this channel grow. Last thing, check out the other clips that are similar and related to this video to the right of your screen. Thank you for supporting us and for watching this video. Until then, we will see you at the next item.